Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So I wanted to do this one like real relaxed and laid back, whatever, in my new environment that I've been working so hard cleaning up. My daughter's asleep, full transparency. She's on the camera, and I'm watching her. But I really had this in my mind because I want to continue with the added value that I said I'm going to be bringing to you guys. And I wanted to create this atmosphere so you guys, I build more trust with you guys. So you see here, I'm a real person. I'm not out here, you know, AI generated or whatever is going on nowadays. You know what I mean? So, and kind of make you feel like a part of the family because that's what we do at Cohen's, right? We are kind of like serving the community. We bring you in and make you feel like you're part of our family because we are a family-owned business, and we kind of operate like that. Where when you come in, you feel very welcomed, and I think that is the direction that these local shops are taking and that they should take to kind of take some power back from the bigger box shops and the insurance companies and the bigger corporations, so they can stay alive and continue to provide for their family and their community. So I have some things here. Today's topic is the importance of knowing your local repair shop, right? So basically, I just want to touch on the benefits right away. And that is, it's going to save you time, frustration, and money if you get to know your local auto repair shop. In some previous videos, I go into detail about how, working with a shop can help you save time, money, and or working with a savvy professional or body shop that knows what they're doing can help guide you through the entire accident repair process. So anyway, building trust is the first thing, right? Building trust goes both ways, as everyone should know, right? So basically, you want to go there and get to know them, and they should be doing things like reaching out to you, or maybe doing videos like this to help build you trust, or allowing you in the facility and not being so standoffish. There's a lot of body shop owners that won't let you just tour their facility, right? They're like, what do you want? What are you here for? And they're all over you. And even the staff, right? But at Cohen's and at some other places, you can walk up in there, you can see what's going on, you can see us working on your car, you come crack a joke with us, laugh with us, call us, see what the progress is. And most of the time, if we have a good relationship, I'm answering you after hours. So, and a lot of shop owners, I think, do that because, our customers are important to us. And, not to mention that it also, takes care of our families, right? To help serve you. So, anyway, back to um, the stuff. Okay. Right. Building trust. So, building trust goes both ways. And basically, I have a little thing written down here. Building a relationship with your local shop means you're not just a customer, you're part of the community. When you know the people that are working on your car, you can trust their advice and recommendations. Plus, a familiar face always makes the process go smoother. So I'm a firm believer in that. If you have been frequenting us or using us for a long time, and I see you, you already know what's going on. I'm going to save you and do the best I can. If you just sent me somebody or whatever the case is, I'm going to hook it up, do extra, because I can and because you're a recurring customer that's been supporting the business for years, right? You probably helped me go to school, right? So I'm here giving back. So anyway, moving forward. So yeah, building trust goes both ways. You can definitely stop by and just, break the ice and say, hey, I'm in the market for a local shop, and I just, want to know what your rates are. And, God forbid, I need your services, how it works, and that could kind of break the ice and get you, familiar with the shop and the facilities, right? Even if you don't have an accident or something you want to deal with at the moment. Maybe they have some sort of offers or perks going on, and just because you walked in, now you know, right? So there you go. So it goes both ways, the building the trust. Um, Personalized service, right? This is key, right? For mechanics or auto body shops. You know, at Cohen's, we pride ourselves on treating every car and customer like family. I was saying that before. When you regularly visit your local shop, the team gets to know your vehicle's history and your preferences, offering tailored solutions that fit your needs. I'll give you a little story. There's a gentleman I know named Andre, and he always wants some extra stuff done on his car, no matter if it's an insurance or out of pocket thing that he's doing with us. He wants like me and my guys to like help and customize his car, right? And make it more modern. And he kind of just trusts our expertise. So we go ahead and we do what everybody else would do who goes to customize, right? We go online and we search, we give them the options, and then we get back to him. We order it, we put it in the bill, and then that's how it is. He's driving around with a nice old school BMW 3 Series, and he loves it, right? And the way we helped him style it, he loves it, right? So we're trying to provide that same kind of stuff to other people, but I don't think a lot of people know that we do that. So hey, there you go. We do a lot of things like restorations and customization work. So tap in, you know what I mean? www.cohensauto.com. Anyway, what else is there? I said I was supposed to be relaxed, right? Make y'all feel like, come on in. Like y'all can't family. Baby girl still asleep, soundly, lovely. Anyway, supporting local businesses. Another reason as to why it's good to get to know your local body shop, right? So, you want to support your local business by choosing a local shop. You're also supporting your community. Local businesses like Cohen's Auto Collision contribute to the local economy, provide jobs, and often give back to the community. It's a win-win situation, right? So bring the power back to your community, right? Spend the money in your community. I'm a firm believer of that. So, and yes, at Cohen's we do. Just the other day, I did like a Pee Wee League football team helmets, and we painted them black. And we got some great feedback from the kids and the parents. So, that was that. And yeah, we do a lot of other community service outreach. We donate to the police benevolent association, um, and the state trooper and the fire marshals. So we make sure that we are active in the community, and whatever we can do, we do. So you're keeping all that money in the community, and they're able to like improve the facilities and the whole quality of life for everybody. So it's good to support your local business. If you're not, I'm just putting that out there. So that's another key benefit into supporting your local business. Quicker turnaround times, right? Because we have a relationship. I'm not gonna take too much of you guys' times up. Super late, and I want to sleep, and I'm sure you are probably not even watching this when it's sleep time. But anyway, um, yeah, you quicker turnaround times. If I know you, I might do priority scheduling with you. I kind of know your demeanor or temperament, and I love it. That's why you're still my customer. So it's like, hey, I try my best to cater to the different personalities or demands that my customers put on me to just keep everybody happy. It's always a frustrating situation, all jokes aside. So I'm here to just try to alleviate that stress and to help you save the money and expedite the process. Okay. Next thing, cost savings. Right. Like I sound like beating a dead horse and repeating myself. Right. Customer receiving detailed invoice with a smile. Right. Oh, I'm gonna take that out. So cost savings. Anyway, local shops often offer competitive pricing and loyalty discounts. Plus, when you have a good relationship with your mechanic or your auto body repair guy, there's a difference. Might make a video about that. You might get a heads up on potential issues before they come, um, and before they become costly. So, like I said in a lot of other videos, and like you, I will continue to say, so that you guys get it, is that we know the process because we deal with it every day. So it's good if you work with us to help you navigate that and reduce the delays that they have built into the insurance process by design. It's not even a thing where it's like, oh, circumstances happen to slow you down. They want to slow you down. It's just a fact. And they have this system called Colossus, which is a whole nother video that was like, I'll create, but was like created in Australia. I'm gonna go off on too much of a tangent here, but anyway, it's a computer system that determines like if you're injured, what the compensation for that is, and if your car gets hit, what the compensation for that is. And it's easily manipulated. And I think Allstate is like the biggest, you know, manipulator of that computer system, from my research, right? So it's out there. It's not just me picking on it. Anyway, let's move on. But so there are a lot of expenses or cost issues involved or directly related to the delays that happen due to the insurance companies sometimes, right? And just due to the process. But knowing how to navigate it helps to reduce it. Sometimes you can't eliminate all of them, but it helps to reduce it, right? And reduce how much money you might have to end up paying out of pocket. Um, After hour support, like I said, these are things that I'm not sure if everyone does, but we're doing it. So at Cohen's, we also understand that car troubles don't always happen during business hours. That's why we make extended after hour support, accepting late calls to help you determine if you should go through insurance or not. Our team is here to guide you through the process, helping you understand your own policy better and your rights. This can sometimes help you avoid delays and ensure you get back on the road quickly. All right. So, getting to know your local shop, right, is more than just convenient, it's smart. Okay. Um, if you're in an area, come visit us. If you're in our area, come visit us, and we'll be happy to help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and insights. See you next time.